Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week and ready for an amazing weekend. Today, we are going to be sharing the Friday freebie for this week. Every week you get a free printable on my channel here on my Facebook group. And today is this particular freebie here is been designed because I wanted to showcase one of my books. These are my digital books that you can find on my website. So there is loads and loads. I have quite a lot. This probably is my favorite. So you can download them once you purchase them. You can print them as I do and then put them all together. And I use this as a reference. So I just literally go on a page. So okay, so I want some butterflies. Then go into my digital file and just print the page I need. So I always have like 2 copies, if that makes sense. So there are loads, and today's the freebie has been designed showcasing the Shabby Orchestra. This is a book of background, so just going to give you a quick flip through. So first page you can put your name, and this will take you straight to my website. So all my social medias there, and then yeah, it's just a collection of different pages. You've got tags, you've got background, embellishment. So the name says it all, so orchestra. So there's a lot of music. This is one of my favorite pages because you get lots of cards background. So yeah, I love that. So you can make anything like music inspired. You can make journals. You can make embellishment. These are lovely full stamps I made. And the envelopes, little top envelopes, or you can make like some tabs, loads, gift boxes. This is a cube gift box, which you can print this on a thicker cardstock, and then at the end you got all my collections. Okay, as usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebies. Let me show you. As usual guys, 2 ways to get my freebie. Way number 1 is to join my newsletter. My newsletter is an email, and I will put it here on the screen on the left hand side. I send out every Friday at 9 p.m. British time. There is a video recap of the week, papers of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code or a little offer for you to enjoy. It's just a very nice email for chit chat, sometime twice a week. So just look out. And way number 2, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter has already gone out to everybody, so you won't be able to receive this freebie. But when you join, you will be able to receive next week and the following weeks, etc. So if you want today's freebie, and there is about 300 freebies I have shared on my channel in the last couple of years. It's all put together on my Facebook group, and again, I've put on the screen. My Facebook group is an interactive community where myself and other creators and other crafters shares the project, freebies, ideas, videos, etc. So it's a very interactive platform where you can see all my freebies in date order. Okay, so once you join in, you click on files and you'll be able to download everything that is in there in date order. So it's a kind of archive where you can go and help yourself and download everything that is in there. Okay guys, you saw everything. If you wish to purchase my books, I will put a link down below, and then yeah, I will see you next week for an amazing section of videos, very love inspired, as I said. Give me thumbs up if you like the freebies, because every time you guys interact with my channel, YouTube get a little notification. It's a very free ways, put it that way, to support my journey here on YouTube and really support me with like creating freebies, etc. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.